In today's video, I will be talking about personal growth as well as showing you my rollerset results on my mini braids. Welcome back to Simply Shev, where we talk about all things natural hair, including my own natural hair journey, styling ideas, DIYs, and so much more to help you grow your natural hair long, healthy, and strong. For almost 2 years, that's been the strapline of this channel, and now I'm venturing off into personal growth. And as you watch, as I said, this roller set results and installation on my natural hair, I'm going to talk a little bit about why the change in the channel and also a bit about growth. Why the focus on growth. So just to the video then to explain, because I know majority of my audience is here for the hair care. This roller set was done when my hair was about 6 weeks old, so quite a while ago. I filmed this video. I've been wanting to put this content out on the channels for so long, and I think June is a great time. We are halfway through the year. It's certainly not too late to be achieving any goals that we set or any growth milestones that we set for ourselves. So it's really a great time to reflect on any goals that we may have set in January and where we are in relation to those. I want to primarily focus on growth in terms of personal finance, terms of books that I'm reading on personal growth, in terms of any interesting reading that I might find on motherhood or any aspects of my life that I'm growing in, that I'll share, any courses or anything that I might look in the algorithm and see that you like. Of course, most of my content will still continue to be on natural hair care because I know that's how you found it, but I will find ways of integrating that. I'll also be sharing some ideas from my garden in my videos. So why personal growth? Personal growth because I'm always growing. I'm always looking to learn something new. When I was doing my BA, my first degree, I stumbled upon natural hair care by being curious, by wanting to learn more about how hair grows, why hair grows, who has long hair. And so those are some of the information I was putting in Google in 2007. And I stumbled upon wonderful communities where I'd spent hours and hours just learning about type 4 natural hair, Afro natural hair, and how that grows. And from that, I've been given such a wealth of information on how to grow natural hair. Till now you can see my hair is at a good length, mid back, heading to waist length, and that's just by learning, by lifelong learning. Speaking of lifelong learning, it's actually become a season where I'm learning. I'm doing a lot of courses in my profession. I'm a business professional, project management, etc. And I've, as an all-rounder, as someone with 2 business degrees, I have general knowledge on all aspects of business, but I find from time to time, as roles depict, I then go to venture learn a bit more about that certain role that I'm doing. And at the moment, I'm actually doing a lot of courses. I've got lots of exams coming up, and I'm finding that by doing those exams, although I had like a basic knowledge of whatever the topic is, I am growing and I'm learning more. And this season of my life, I'm really listening. I'm really opening to listening to what is going on in the environment, and I'm soaking that all in, and so I'm growing. So as the garden is springing up, and I'm in a garden, I'm going to show you my garden, as well as sometimes when I talk about these personal development, growth, or whatever is on my mind in terms of personal development, I will be showing you pictures of my garden as it grows, because it's beautiful. I love growing things, and my garden is one of the extension of that growth. So I'm really myself in a season of growth, and I thought I'm going to add that onto the channel. I believe that there's lots of ladies mid-30s who are really assessing where they are. Perhaps they've achieved quite a lot, perhaps they feel like they can't achieve, or it's not too late. And so this channel is here really as a motivation to motivate you and myself to grow more. Of course, if we're not growing, we're shrinking, right? And so we need to grow to keep moving. And now I feel like at this age, mid-30s, you have so many other people looking onto you for that inspiration, for that mentorship, that you will do your community good by growing. And so I'm so excited to learn, because this channel is there, and I know I'm going to be focusing on personal growth. I'm going to have to read the books. I'm going to have to get the information in there to share. And so being accountable to you will make me accountable to myself. And so it's a great time to add that content onto the channel. Now, for all the ladies that's been on this channel since the beginning, 2 years, and now, you would have seen my hair at the start of this channel, it was absolutely damaged. It was not, to me, it was not retaining any length. It didn't look all of that well. And now 2 years later, I completely have a whole brand new head of hair. And that's a lot of growth in 2 years of, you can say my hair just grow quite slowly, and it takes a long time. It takes a lot of hard work, as you see through the videos that I put out. But the dedication, and I use all the time on this channel about being consistent, about doing the same things that work over and over again to get results. You can see the length of my hair, and I'm waist length. I'm waist length by inch, just a few centimeters off. So excited to be doing a length check and to measure the growth that I've received in the last 2 years, and just to encourage you as well. I'm still here for lots of growth, inspiration on growing your natural hair, because I believe that everyone can grow their natural hair to whatever length they want to. Now, it's going to take probably a lot of time, longer than someone else, but you will get there. And that's the thing about this personal growth journey. It's such an individual journey that I will be sharing what I'm going through. Perhaps it won't be exactly what you're going through, but you'll be watching my journey and be inspired to grow at your own pace, and be inspired perhaps to try some of the things that I'm trying. As my subscribers, I'm really so appreciative for all of you. Of course, there's many channels that started 2 years ago, and I've got a lot more subscribers than mine. And you could say that my numbers are quite low on viewership and all of that. But the main thing I want you to do when you watch my videos is to get some value. And I can only know that if you comment below and let me know if the information that I provide in the video, be it hair care, be on personal growth, if I'm actually answering the questions that you want to hear from me. And so I really need you to comment and like and really let me know. Be more interactive in the community session and ask me anything and suggest videos for me to do, because I'm so excited to learn so that I can share that information with you. And once again, thank you so much for subscribing. If you've not yet subscribed, of course, this is a hair growth channel, and you can watch all my challenges, all my playlists, and see plenty of growth happening, and now personal growth. Once again, by definition, it is personal. It will be my journey of growing, of talking about motherhood, of talking about my savings journey, of talking about my life in ministry and in serving the Lord, or whatever else, or as a business professional, whatever else I decide to share will be very much my own personal journey. And so as you listen on, I do require some sort of understanding to the perspective that I share, that it's almost like a vlog. It's a video journal of my life in such a personal way. However, I am sure you'll get some information. And the second part is growth. It's personal, my growth. And once again, if we are not growing, we are staying one place. And I don't like to stay one place. I like to have things to look forward to. I love to travel. I want to share some of my travels with you and show you places that I've gone and discovered, cultures. And it's just such an amazing thing to grow outside of actually sticking your head into a book, by absorbing your environment and listening to the things that's not said, how people communicate. Even if you don't understand what they are saying, you learn so much by traveling. So I also want to share some of that with you. And so back to my video then, I'm doing a roller set. Now, these rollers, I did get the second-hand rollers that I got, I think, off eBay. And so I'm not even quite sure if they still do them. They are brand new, but it's from a shop that no longer is doing them. And so I managed to get them for a good deal. They were completely brand new, and I was the first person. So I say second-hand because I didn't actually go and buy it from like a store like Argos. Now, they are really good. I just really use rollers to straighten my hair. So these are quite good rollers. However, as you've seen so far, my hair was really quite wet when I installed the rollers on. And so the first attempt, this me taking down the rollers, my hair did not curl. However, I did see that my hair did get quite a good stretch. And so rollers are a great way for stretching your natural hair. These mini braids are doing excellent. If this is your first video seeing on me doing my mini braids, check out this challenges video. There's plenty of past videos on my mini braids, but check this one out. You'll see all the growth that I've got so far up to week 5, week 6. And so as the saying goes, if at first you don't succeed, try again. What I did here was I waited like a day, and then I reinstalled the the rollers onto my hair, and as you can see, I'm getting big, bouncy, beautiful curls now just after making my hair dry a bit. So if you're going to be doing this, if you are going to try to have roller sets on your mini braids, try to make sure that your hair is not completely damp or it won't quite take in. Wait a day after you wash it and then install them to get some good results. And it was beautiful. I filmed this at night, so you can't quite see all the curls that I was getting, but you can see me saying, wow, they look beautiful. They look absolutely really defined and curly. And I was really pleased with using such an inexpensive product. As I said, I did get it at a really good price and it curls your hair beautifully. Now I'm really excited to try these on my loose hair as well. I'm sure that will look amazing. And so if you've been wearing your mini braids for a while and you wanted something new, this is a great way of changing up your style. You've got formal occasion. You could actually just style these curls like you would curls on loose hair. And so these rollers really worked well to curl my hair, and my braids, it worked in braids and they looked really well. And I do recommend this product. I always recommend using rollers for straightening your hair or for curling your hair as opposed to irons, because I find that gives me a lot less damage. You can see that the rollers come with sort of like this clip, and they also come with a pin, and I believe it's personal choice. I had an equal amount of clips and pins, so I could choose. The pins are obviously easier to sleep on or to go about your day-to-day business. If you've got to put a scarf on, the clips are more secure, so it's really personal choice. And I'll try to put some of these heated rollers, if they're already or not, in my my Amazon storefront. You can check out my Amazon storefront. I've listed the products that I'm using consistently there on my Amazon storefront, so please check that out and support. And also support this channel by subscribing, giving this video a like, and leaving me a comment. It really means so much to me and encourages me to make much more videos. So I want to thank you so much for listening to today's video, talking to you about the new direction that this channel will be going on, personal growth, and also sharing with you roller set results on mini braids that's about 5 or so weeks old, and showing you how that looks. And it's a beautiful style. You can wear this out, and as I said, because it was filmed at night, you can't really see the beauty of this style, but it's a really great way to wear your mini braids. Thank you so much, and as usual, I'm so grateful for your support. I will see you in my next video. Take care.